What's up guys, Pop-Up101 here. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make your weapon teleport your character wherever it lands on the environment. So let's get started. All we need to do is make sure that our weapon has a fly ref attached to it. So what we need to do is go into our item definition and add something, a transform, to the fly direct reference. Now this is really easy. All you got to do is go to create empty. The naming doesn't really matter, so let's just name it FlyRef. What you do need to know though is that this blue arrow needs to be pointing in whatever direction you want your weapon to be thrown in. So in this case, if we set it to -90, now when we throw our weapon, it will aim towards the blue arrow. So when we throw it, the blade will be what is targeting wherever we aimed at, which is exactly what we want. After adding in the fly ref, you need to go into your item JSON, simply drag it in, make sure to save it, set it as a prefab, add it in the addressable group, and then the mod builder, build it like any other weapon. You want to open up File Explorer and go to your built folder with your already completed JSON. Once you do that, you want to copy and paste the module that I'm gonna put in the description, but it's the same as the Minato Kunai in My Trials of the Shinobi mod. So you copy it, you paste it in, you make sure fly from throw is true, fly rotation speed is 3, fly throw angle is 145. Make sure that the module has an open bracket, the type, close bracket, and a comma. Then no extra comma or anything else after. And once you've done that, when you throw your weapon, while holding the trigger before you throw, and you can let go of the trigger during the throw or after, you will teleport to the location of wherever the weapon that you throw lands. So, with that, if you guys like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton, and I'd greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already, check out the Discord link below to join the Discord and talk with a bunch of other people in the community. Hanging out, it's a lot of fun. If you haven't already, there is also a link in the description for my Patreon if you'd like to support the channel. And with that, thank you for watching.